Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about unlocking your academic potential with powerful study strategies. Imagine feeling confident, focused, and in control of your learning. That's what these tips can help you achieve. First things first, let's create a study haven. Find a quiet, well lit space, free from distractions like noisy roommates or your phone. Declutter your desk, maybe add some motivational quotes, and create a space that feels good to be in. It will make focusing so much easier. Time management is your academic superpower. Make a weekly or daily schedule, allocating time for each subject. Tackle big projects by breaking them down into smaller, more manageable chunks. Feeling overwhelmed? There are awesome apps like Pomodoro timers to keep you on track. Don't just sit there passively absorbing information. Be an active learner. Ask questions in class, participate in discussions, and don't be afraid to seek help from teachers or mentors. The more you engage, the deeper you'll understand. Try connecting what you're learning to real life, like current events or your hobbies. It'll make the material more interesting and memorable. Taking good notes is an art. Experiment with different methods like mind maps, outlines, or diagrams to find what works best for you. Don't just copy everything down verbatim. Instead, summarize key points, use your own words, and even abbreviations to save time and space. Remember, clear organization with headings and color coding will make reviewing your notes a breeze. Cramming the night before is a recipe for stress, not success. Instead, revise regularly using spaced repetition techniques. This means revisiting concepts over time, not just before exams, to solidify them in your long term memory. Test yourself by creating practice questions, explaining concepts to a friend, or summarizing topics aloud. This will help you identify areas that need more work and focus on truly understanding, not just memorizing. Studying with friends can be a powerful tool. Find a group with similar learning goals and work ethics. Set ground rules to avoid distractions and ensure focused discussions. Different perspectives in group study can challenge your assumptions and lead to a deeper understanding of the material. Remember, teamwork makes the learning dream work. Taking care of yourself is crucial for academic success. Schedule regular breaks for physical activity, healthy meals, and enough sleep. A well rested and healthy mind retains information better. And don't forget to celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Recognizing your progress will keep you motivated and on track. Remember, these strategies are your tools for academic success. By implementing them consistently and with dedication, you can achieve your full potential. Believe in yourself and your ability to learn. Now go out there and conquer your studies. Bonus tip: don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Learning is a personal journey, so embrace your unique style and preferences. Thanks for watching. For more content like this, hit subscribe and check out the future videos.